Dorna Tuscalani here with a mail call from Death Grip. I always love it when I get supplies in the mail, and this was an exceptional one. Thank you, Levi, and the Death Grip team. I truly appreciate it. Let me start with the stickers. I love to collect stickers and pics like that. As they always do, I got a nice collection of stickers with a note on one of them. With this particular batch, there's a couple new ones that I don't have. Burn the Ships, looking forward to trying that once I get my shave game together. Also, Black Magic has come out since my last supply drop. I've not tried this yet. That's a cool sticker as well. A couple of them here. I'll add those to my other collection. Probably even this patch. This is my second patch. I need to find a place to sew that to, like a jacket or something else. And I've put patches on my laptop, on my thermos, on my PCs. We have a Death Grip throughout the house. Onto the drop itself, Night Fury, maybe the best mustache wax remover product out there on the market. I go through this regularly, and smells great. I think it's like a clove type scent. But works. We're going to demonstrate this a little later. I'm going to do a second video, a second styling video with some of these products. We'll do that separate. Also, I've been eyeing this. This is a treasure. So this is the Stache protector for the mug. If you have a mug like this one from Bob and Elliot, you can just attach it to the lid like that. I guess I can put it in the other way. Yeah, like that. And then it will protect the stash as you drink. So thank you for that. That's very cool. And all these are available on Amazon. Go check them out. Also got this super cool comb. Now this is a larger comb. You can see that this is become a regular part of my stash maintenance tools. This is in my pocket all the time, everywhere I go. And you can see I've rubbed off the logo. This is super cool. I'll use this one at home, and you'll see this in many of my future videos. They also sent their new Night Fury Mustache shampoo bar, and this smells amazing. This is a citrus scent, and so it comes out, it's like that. The only thing this needs, and Levi, I'm going to work on this, is a logo for the soap, so that when you open the tin, some form of a Death Grip or Night Fury logo on that. I'm going to work on that as part of my Good Sense Soap Co. Work, and we're going to collaborate on that, and hopefully we can get something cool put together. This is what I want to go through today, though, and this is the Defender Mustache Balm. This is a lighter wax for a more natural style. Unscented, and this is ideal for my style of stash. And we're going to style up with this today and do the old duster style and see how that goes. So we're going to wash the stash out with Night Fury. We're going to clean the oil out with the Night Fury Mustache shampoo bar, and then we're going to style up with Defender. That's going to be in another video, separate video. Thank you again, Death Grip, for the package. and I'm looking forward to trying these. So take care and God bless. As always, Original Mustache Club for life, baby, and follow the Death Grip Brotherhood. They're a great bunch of people, great products, and if you're into mustache, then you need to be part of that community as well as following Keepers of the Stache. So take care, God bless.